Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium off shower glass. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need white vinegar, a spray bottle, dish soap, a non-abrasive sponge, and a squeegee. Always ensure good ventilation by opening a window or turning on a fan. Also, protect any nearby surfaces with old towels before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective cleaning process. Now, let's apply the main cleaning solution. In a spray bottle, combine equal parts white vinegar and water. Generously spray this mixture over the entire shower glass, paying special attention to those areas with noticeable calcium buildup. Let the solution sit and work its magic for at least 15 minutes. This soaking time is crucial for breaking down the mineral deposits effectively. After the vinegar has soaked, it's time to scrub. Use a non-abrasive sponge or a microfiber cloth to gently scrub the glass in circular motions. For any particularly stubborn calcium spots, create a paste with baking soda and a few drops of water, then apply it directly. Finally, rinse the entire glass surface thoroughly with clean, warm water until all residue is gone. To finish, dry the glass immediately with a squeegee or a clean microfiber towel to prevent new water spots. For long-term prevention, consider applying a water-repellent product to the clean glass. This creates a barrier against mineral deposits. Most importantly, make it a habit to wipe down your shower glass after every single use. This simple step significantly reduces future calcium buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.